Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video, as you can see by the title and as you can see by me, we are looking natural. This is a look that it's like my go-to look when I am going to go run errands, if I want to do a little bit of shopping, grocery shopping, whatever it is, and I'm just not in the mood for a full face, and I still want to look put together, I still want to look decent, I don't want to look like a friggin' dead hamster walking around. This is the look that I do. This is like my basic girl, my bare minimum, my no makeup type of look, low maintenance, all that good stuff. It's using some simple products. We are mainly concentrating on skin, making the skin look juicy, making it look glowy, making it look like a glass skin, like your skin but better. So yeah, that's what we're going to focus on today. As you can see, we're very basic. I'm here for it. I did mention throughout the video that I'm not feeling 100%. I'm feeling like I am low on energy. I feel really tired. I really feel like taking a nap right now, but I got a lot to do. I got to do laundry. I have to go grocery shopping. I need to come home and I need to make dinner. And mama ain't got time for naps, so my back is also hurting, my neck is all messed up, so I am just not having a good day, you guys. But you know what? It's okay. We don't have to focus on the negativity. Let's just focus on the positive. I am breathing. My lungs are full of air. So it's all good. With that said, like I said, we're going to do a low maintenance, no makeup look using some of my favorite products. So if you guys are interested in seeing and knowing how to get this no makeup, low maintenance look, very minimal, very pretty, natural glowing skin, go ahead and keep on watching, and yeah, let's just get started into this video. Okay guys, let's get started with this. My skin is severely dry. So are my lips. I just don't understand my skin at times. Sometimes it's oily, sometimes it's really greasy, or sometimes it's really dry. So we are going to moisturize first. That is super important for your skin, for your lips, especially your lips. They are such a thin, skin that we have to keep them moisturized. I always put on a lip mask at night, which is why my lips are pretty hydrated most of the time, but right now, like I said, they're pretty dry. So my favorite one that I keep it down here in my makeup room is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. It's this one right here. I love how thick it is because it's really moisturizing. I also love the Laneige little lip gloss. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with those, but it is upstairs and I don't feel like going upstairs. Now that the lips are out of the way, let's go ahead and focus on the skin. So first things first is applying some sort of serum. I am so close to running out of my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Primer Serum, which is this one. This one is from the Rebel Rose collection. I really like this. I feel like it gives a little glow to my skin, but yeah, and it smells good and it's pretty, so we're just going to rub that into the skin. While we wait for that to sink in, we're going to apply our little eye cream. I've been using this one for a few months and I actually really like it. The Saturday Skin, what is this? Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream. I just really like how this moisturizes my skin. I like my eye creams to be a little bit thicker because, I don't know, it just makes me feel like they're actually hydrating, you know? Next up is to moisturize. And now the moisturizer that I've been using for the past couple of weeks is the new one by Too Faced, the Hydrating Lightweight Hangover RX Good to Go Skin Protecting SPF 25 Moisturizer with coconut water, prebiotic and probiotic based ingredients, formulated to make your makeup better. It is this one right here. Now the reason why I have this one is because I had been on the hunt for a good SPF moisturizer and I tried a few from the drugstore, and some of them broke me out, and this one has not. Oh, it smells so good, and I love that it doesn't leave a white cast on the skin. It just sinks in and it leaves your skin so moisturized, and it has SPF, which is another plus, obviously. So as you can see, the skin is looking nice and glowy, which is, oh, I love this one for that. So first things first is a sort of BB cream or CC cream, whatever you have. I don't have any of that because I just never really gravitated towards them, but the one that I think could be considered a good BB or CC cream is the new Maybelline Dream Urban Full Coverage Protective Makeup. This also contains a sunscreen, which is another plus, and it's another reason why I love it so much. So I don't go too heavy with this one. Obviously, I want to look as natural as I can, but before that, I really want my skin to be just radiating glow, because again, I want it to look skin-like. So I am going to go in with the Becca Instant Complexion Refresh little primer, which is this one right here. This one is amazing if you have discoloration on your skin or anything like that. This just really evens it out. And I know this is like a little too much, but I've just been loving this technique. I love how my skin looks. It just looks very wet, very dewy. I take my MAC Strobe Cream in the Pink Lights color, and I will just squeeze a tiny bit. You really don't need a lot because this is also moisturizing. Just a tiny bit, like so. I am going to take my AOA Studio High Definition Brush F8, which is this one. I started using this one after my $1 makeup tutorial, and I seriously, like, I don't know where this has been my whole life. It is perfect for applying moisturizers, creams, foundations, anything. My skin looks like I applied a liquid illuminator, but this is just all Glow from moisturizers, which again, our skin is just going to drink it right up. So if your skin is like super dry, you're gonna love this technique. I'm gonna now go in with my Maybelline Urban Cover Foundation in the shade Soft Tan, and I'm just going to take it again on my AOA little foundation sponge. And because I don't want to go too crazy, I'm only applying a little bit all over the skin and then just blending that in. And that is it. As you can see, my skin still looks pretty much like skin. It doesn't look like I have so much foundation on. I am going to color, or not color correct, but apply a little bit of concealer. The Staysurance by j.cat in the shade Soft Tan has been my jam. Now obviously, again, we don't want to overdo it, so we're only applying a little bit, and I feel like I have a hair in my face. Unfortunately for me, I can't skip the concealer because I do have a little bit of dark circles going on right now. I'm telling you guys, my insomnia is like trying to creep back in. Oh my god, my neck and my back, my shoulders are in so much pain right now. My whole neck feels so stiff. Yesterday I had a huge makeup gig. I did, well, not huge, but I did 5 girls. I did their makeup for this quinceañera, and I normally do 1, maybe 2 on the weekends, but this time, like, everybody wanted to get their makeup done by me, which I felt so honored, and it's such an exciting experience and moments, and you just feel so blessed and like fortunate that they chose you, you know, to do their makeup. So I was there from like 6:30 in the morning till almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and yeah, I was tired. I was standing up the entire time, and my back and my neck are definitely feeling it. I think I was just standing wrong or something because I am in pain. I don't want to bake because I don't want to take the glow away from my skin. So I'm just going to take my Too Faced Banana Cream. It's Bananas setting powder. When this first came out, oh my god, I was like so obsessed with it. And then I just put it back and I totally forgot that I had it. So I'm going to take this and set underneath the eyes. Now for bronzer, I only add a tiny little bit. I use the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder. This is in the shade Toffee. Now this is pretty much a setting powder. So the reason why I like to use it as a bronzer is because it's giving color to my skin, but it's setting my skin at the same time. So we're just going to go in, and like I said, I do very, very little compared to like my normal amount that I normally put on my skin. I don't apply too much. I just really want my skin to look a little flushed, or for it to have a little bit of color and not so like flat, because I do have a round face. So yeah, we gotta hollow out these cheeks a little bit. I'm also going to take some to my nose, just right here, to give the appearance of like a suntan or your skin being touched and kissed by the sun. My skin automatically looks so much better. So now we're going to go in and do the eyebrows. Now when it comes to my eyebrows, I am very picky with how my eyebrows look. But for looks like these, like I can't have super sharp Instagram brows because they don't go with the skin, they don't go with the face, they just don't look balanced. So I am going to fill them in with my Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil, and the shade that I use is Black Brown. I don't know what it is about brow pencils, but I cannot get used to me filling them in with just a brow pencil. I'm so used to using a pomade that, I don't know, I'm not a fan of the look. But again, for a natural look, this is the way to go. Next up is to apply a little bit of highlight. The skin is looking good. Brows are looking a little natural. This is the most natural I can do them. For my highlight, because again, I'm not wearing too much makeup, I don't want to go too crazy with it. So I'm going to take the Golden Soleil Baked Bronzer in Coconut Island. This is by j.cat, and I'm actually just going to run this. Like I said, this is a very natural highlight. I'm just going to apply it to all the areas where I see that my skin has like a natural touch of light. I am also going to apply a little bit of my Rimmel Scandal Eyes in the shade Nude. This really helps if you are feeling tired like myself. I'm going to curl my lashes with this Pure Cosmetics little lash curler. Go in with your favorite mascara. I'm going to take my Milk Up Kush mascara. Just like that. The very last thing that we are going to do is apply a little bit of lip gloss. I don't think liquid lipsticks or lipsticks in general look very good with this look because again, it's so natural. You can use one of those like lip tints. I think that would look really pretty. I don't personally have any, so I'm gonna go in with this Get Glossed lip gloss in the shade Stardust by Victoria's Secret. Oh my god, this lip gloss, you guys, has the most beautiful reflective shine to it. And the last thing to do is to apply a little setting spray. This is actually like a hydrating mist, but skin is dry, so we're gonna go in with it by Glow Recipe. This is their Watermelon Glow. Once the setting spray has dried, your skin is just gonna look so glowy and healthy and pretty. So this is it, you guys. This is like my go-to minimalist, basic, no makeup routine. I really like to do this again when I'm just not in the mood for a full face beat, which is honestly rare. I'm either looking like a hot mess, hair crazy, no makeup, chanclas, or I look super cute. So there's no in between. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would love to know what your lazy girl routine is, what you guys like to do to look still put together but without trying so hard, if you know what I mean. So thank you guys for joining me today. I hope I feel better, and I hope I have a little bit more energy on my next video, which is on Wednesday. Make sure you are subscribed. Also turn on your little bell so you can be notified and never miss any of my upcoming videos. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye.